Be the envy of your friends in this 2010 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for. Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.